Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you how to synthesize magnesium iodide. Check this out.
For this reaction, we're using a ring stand, a crucible, distilled water, and a dropper. This is iodine, and this is 200 mesh powdered magnesium, and a glass stir rod. Begin by measuring out about 1/4 gram of powdered magnesium. Magnesium was discovered in 1755 by the Scottish chemist Joseph Black. It has 12 protons and almost always has an oxidation state of +2. Next, measure out about 180 milligrams of iodine. You want a 2-to-3 ratio of iodine to magnesium for this mixture. Remember, iodine is the heaviest non-radioactive halogen. It has 53 protons. It was discovered in 1811 by Bernard Courtois. He discovered it accidentally. He was adding sulfuric acid to the ashes of seaweed. Add your iodine crystals to your crucible. Take a glass pestle and start crushing your iodine until you get a finer powder. Next, add your magnesium to the crucible on your ring stand. Take a glass stir rod and make a divot in the middle. Next, take the iodine and add it to the divot in the middle of your magnesium. To begin the reaction, all we're going to do is just add a drop of water to the center of our mixture. Here we go.
Here's the balanced equation for this amazing synthesis reaction. We start with the reactants magnesium and iodine. We have magnesium, that's Mg, and the diatomic molecule of iodine, that's I2. When water is added, it creates the product magnesium iodide, Mg+I2.
I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.